Hi, this is Christina at Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a basic name drop file. So what you're going to do, you're going to open Wilcom, you're going to go File, New Design. From there you're going to hit on this little lettering box here, and you can just start typing. So in order to turn this into stitches, you're just going to have to hit enter. Next step is you're going to see that that's not really centered on the page, so your positions up here, we're just going to hit 0, 0, and that's going to center it on the page. So from there, over here in your objects properties list, you have all of your other text settings. Here you can change the style of your text, and if you just start typing, it'll usually populate there. Also have letter spacing, line spacing. You can get kind of crazy with this lettering art, but that's basically how you set up a basic name drop. From there you can send it to the single head, the 4-head, 6-head, whatever you need to do, and that's it. Thank you.